Most respected dignitaries in the class and all the teachers and my dear friends. A very happy morning all. Today is a very happy day for all of us. The inauguration of COE in our school. I am Ritesh of class 11 COE. Nizam sir. Center of Excellence is not only a venue where we can be provided with new rooms, labs, etc. It is a platform where we can learn new things and run experiments and we can be gain enormous knowledge from extraordinary teachers. So I thank Sri Chakrapani sir, Deputy Commissioner and ENF team and all the teachers and JNV family for giving us this opportunity. And my dear friends, let us promise ourselves and whatever the opportunities were given, let us utilize wisely and be and fulfill our dreams and be succeed in life. Thank you. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. JNV Nagapatnam. I will be getting seat in top 5. I want to get seat in top IITs. Like IIT Bombay. Because I want to do computer science course. As everyone tells, I think IIT Bombay.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes,
Which is number one?
Yes, sir.
Bombay or IIT?
sir. I can go through that, but I know I
NRF
will.
ranking you check and tell me.
Yes.
Before I leave, want to go to Chennai or Mumbai?
Mumbai.
I think Chennai, I think Madras. Huh?
Okay.